Lobsters live in the cold, dark depths of the sea. They have acquired some very interesting skills to survive. Here are 10 interesting features of lobsters. 1. Stomach grinder. Lobsters have teeth in their stomachs. These teeth crush the food and prepare it for digestion. The lobster swallows the food whole. Then the teeth in the stomach crush it. So, in conclusion, lobsters chew food with their stomachs. 2. Reflex amputation. Lobsters can drop their limbs in case of danger. This is a defense mechanism for lobsters. When a lobster's limb is grabbed by predators or when it wants to distract attention, it leaves it behind. They then regrow their limbs. 3. Lobsters grow indefinitely. Lobsters never stop growing. In fact, larger lobsters are more capable of reproduction. As their bodies grow, they shed their feathers. Their bodies keep growing, adding new muscle cells. Lobsters live between 40 and 50 years in the wild. Their age is estimated according to their size. Some lobsters can grow up to 20 kilograms. 5. Lobsters have blue blood. Lobsters live mostly on the salty, cold and dark seabed. There is very little oxygen on the seabed. It is also not very rich in nutrients. Lobsters have blue blood because they consume copper-based hemocyanin foods. 5. Lobsters are not red. Their true colors are shades of brown, dark green and dark blue. A mixture of these is also possible. Lobsters only turn red when they are cooked. When lobsters are cooked, pigments other than the red color pigment are destroyed. This is why they are mistaken for red. 6. Lobsters are closer to insects than to fish. Both insects and lobsters belong to the phylum Arthropoda. Lobsters are invertebrates. However, they have an exoskeleton like insects. Lobsters have 10 legs, while insects usually have 6 legs. 7. Lobsters have better antennae. Lobsters have 3 sets of antennae. These mainly help with navigation. But they also allow them to measure enemy distance, find mates, sense objects, and sense small chemicals. 8. Lobsters don't swim. Lobsters lose their ability to swim as they grow. When they are larvae, they swim with the current. Once they reach the surface of the earth, they stay there. They walk on the surface with their legs and tails. 9. The incredible incubation process. Female lobsters have to lose their shells before mating. So she is vulnerable and hides with the male in a cave for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks she gets a new shell. The male transfers sperm to the female. After fertilizing the eggs, the female does not lay them immediately. She carries about 8,000 eggs for 10 months. After spawning, only 10% of the larvae reach the seabed. 10. Lobsters feel pain. The most important predators of lobsters are octopuses. But the most dangerous species for them is humans. Lobsters are hunted by humans like fish. If they are separated from their nature for a long time, their bodies become toxic with the chemicals they secrete. That's why they are cooked alive. They do not have a developed nervous system and vocal cords like humans. Therefore, they suffer a little pain compared to the human threshold. But they cannot make a sound because they do not have vocal cords.